What's your age? 16, 17, 18, 19, or maybe 20? Or you're around 21 or 24? What's your age right now? The problem is you think you have got time. Time is a very tricky word, my friend. It is so fucking tricky. Do you even remember that it's been more than 4 years COVID hit the world? You were at your homes. Still now, it feels like yesterday. Am I right or wrong? I know I'm right at that. Now you understand the game of time. If I would say what is the most precious and most important thing in life is time. You need to use it very wisely. इस साल के 8वां महीना स्टार्ट हो चुका है. 7th months have been passed on. 90% of you will remain the same this year too. Zero progress in every aspect of life. शायद सिर्फ क्लासेस पास हुए या आगे बढ़े हो 1 साल अपने कॉलेज और स्कूल लाइफ में. बिजनेस में भी प्रमोशन, लाइक जॉब भी अगर कर रहे हो, आई डिडंट थिंक कि तुम्हारा प्रमोशन हुआ होगा, या यू हैव मेड अ क्वाइट इम्पैक्ट इन द कंपनी यू आर वर्किंग दैट अब तुम सबकी नजरों में हो. नो, यू हैवंट. एंड इट्स बिन 7 months of 2024. If you get my point here. Time fucking flies. The thing is, you think you have got a lot of time in this world. People at my age think they are very young. They've got a lot of time. The problem is they think they have tomorrow. There is no tomorrow, my friend. There is no tomorrow. क्या पता मैं शाम को बाइक में निकलूं और मैं वापस ही घर ना हूं. Quite possible, right? It is possible. Maybe tomorrow will be the last day of my in this world. So how I can think I have got time? Because life is uncertain. You can't predict anything. So you need to live the most happiest life in every day possible. The thing is कि people are just existing rather than living. 99% of people are just existing in this world. They are not living. They are not present in the moment. So what is the meaning of life here? आज जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ ना, इसको बहुत डीपर पर्सपेक्टिव से समझना पड़ेगा तुम लोगों को, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट स्क्रिप्टेड और आई हैवंट थिंक अबाउट इट. आई वाज ये थॉट्स मेरे दिमाग में चल रहे थे. देन आई स्टार्टेड, आई जस्ट समराइज्ड ऑल दिस थॉट्स एंड आई एम जस्ट स्पीकिंग in front of this camera because I have got no time too. I got to work for my family. I got to move up to the world. So look in my eyes right now and realize that a fact that time is ticking by your side. Even you're watching this video, I don't know how long it will be, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 10 minutes, but the 10 minutes have passed away. That 5 minutes have passed away while you're looking into my fucking eyes. You get my point here? You need to start working. मैं इस वीडियो में तुम्हें ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मेहनत करो, वही काम करो, तुम दिन भर काम करो कि तुम्हारे पास टाइम कम है. No, I am not talking about productivity. What I'm talking about is being present in the moment. तुम जो कर रहे हो उस चीज को जिंदा रह के करो. अगर तुम पढ़ रहे हो, जिंदा रह के पढ़ो. अगर तुम दोस्तों के साथ बैठे हो, live in this at that moment. If you're sitting with your parents, live that moment right there. बाद में मत सोचो उसके बारे. If you're going out for a workout, live in that present workout. Stop thinking about कि अगली एक्सरसाइज कौन सी करनी है, इसके बाद घर जाके क्या खाऊंगा. Stop thinking about all that and stay present in the moment. This is the most underrated skill of this decade, of this century, I would say. You need to be present in the moment because time fucking flies. अगर तुम किसी लड़की को प्यार करते हो और तुम उसके साथ बैठे, या तुम किसी लड़के को प्यार करते हो और तुम उसके, मैं बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि अगर तुम लड़की हो, अगर तुम किसी लड़के को प्यार करते हो, तुम उसके साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हो, यू रियलाइज कि टाइम फ्लाइज, टाइम फकिंग फ्लाइज, वो बस बीत गया। एग्जैक्टली 6 घंटे 15 मिनट में निकल जाते, तुम्हें पता नहीं लगता है। द रीजन इज वेरी सिंपल, बिकॉज यू आर प्रेजेंट इन द मोमेंट, यू आर इन अ फ्लो स्टेट ऑफ दैट लव। दैट्स द पर्सपेक्टिव आई एम प्रीचिंग दिस वीडियो। किसी भी चीज को कर रहे हो, बी प्रेजेंट इन द मोमेंट बिकॉज टाइम fucking flies. It doesn't wait for anyone, and I'm telling you this again and again. 7 महीने निकल चुके हैं इस साल के, and you are still at the same place, and I don't know how you go to bed every day peacefully sleeping, because if I haven't done the things I needed to done, which was needed to be done, and if I haven't lived my life, you know, there are days when I fuck up, like I fuck up more than you guys, to be honest. I fuck up every day. मैं हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ बहुत बड़ी गलती करता हूँ, and I fuck things up. But the thing is कि I learn from them, और वो चीज़ों से सीखने के बाद I realize कि मैं कितना वो गलती किया. Like I was present in the moment while I was, you know, making mistakes too. I was taking actions that is more than 80% of people at my age. I'm 20 right now. You are thinking to post content on social media, and I guess it would be my 74th video in this YouTube channel. So you can see the difference. God bless you. Hustle hard. Peace out.